Hello, boys and girls. Hello there. You all right? Welcome the new one of the new mascots, Egg. Say hello to Egg. Right. So this is a bit of a weird video. I don't know why I'm on my knees. But basically, it's one a nice bit of a backdrop for you. So it's a bit of a weird video. This one. I'm holding the mic because I don't have anywhere to put it right. But bit of a different video for you today. Just one for awareness. Now, a friend of mine, Nigel Taylor. I've been speaking to him for a very long time. He is a detailer. Bike cleaner, detailer, that kind of thing. I finally have managed to book in some time with him because I've been trying for a long time to try and get some time with him, but I've never actually managed to. Basically, he does lots of different packages for bikes. He's very good at what he does. I'm just watching the football, by the way, just in case you're wondering why I'm looking over there, around the Stoke-on-Trent area. Now, he will come and pick up for me, which is in Northwich, so if you're wondering, I think he will. I think he might come and pick up. It is a delivery charge. Well, there is a charge for him to come pick the bike up. Otherwise, you can go to him in Newcastle, near Stoke-on-Trent. And what we're going to do now, we're going to go out and we're going to check over the bike to see how dirty it is and what needs to be done. Now, I have actually let this bike get quite filthy just because I'm quite into my detailing. I like every time the bike gets wet, any bike that I have, I strip it down, I clean it, I coat it, I do everything to it. Now that it's getting into summer, you can let the bikes, get a bit dirty and touch wood. Because the salt's off the road now, it's not too much of a bother. Now we're just going to go out, we're going to go check over the bike, see how dirty it is, and yeah, we're going to go and do a comparison. I'm going to ask Nigel to put in some videos for me to see what he does, and we're going to do a before and after basically. He does ceramic coat, he does absolutely everything. So we'll go out now, we'll check the bike over, see how dirty it is, and we're going to check back tomorrow when I get the bike back and see what it's like. I'll see you in a minute. Right, hello. So as you can see, the bike, I've let it get quite filthy. It's quite embarrassing, to be honest with you, but not sure if the camera's going to be able to show you all of this, all the bit of intricate details and dirts, because of this is getting quite dark now, so the shutter's not enjoying this. But as you can see, it's for me at least, this is absolutely filthy. You see by the wheels as well, they're going to get ceramic coated, and all the different bits and bobs here are very dirty, and brake dust building up and all that shite. And the engine's pretty clean, the headers are pretty clean, to be honest with you. I mean, except from little bits in there like that. Not sure you're going to be able to see that, but there's lots of little bits of shit, and especially at the front here. Again, I'm not sure if the camera's actually going to be able to pick much of this up, but trust me when I say it's filthy. At least for me, it's filthy. And the wheels there, you can see. I've kept on top of the chain myself, so that's not too bad. Like I said, because of the light, I don't think we're going to get much of this, but there is a lot of dirt on there. So again, we're going to come back tomorrow. But anyway, yeah, we're going to come back tomorrow, or whenever I get the bike back. We're going to do a one-to-one comparison and take some pictures and stuff as well. And yeah, we'll come back in a few days and we'll see how it goes. So I'll see you in a bit. Goodbye. Hi guys, how's it going? Say hello to Egg, our new one of the new mascots anyway. And my missus decided to go out and buy a pearl scale, which I'll put in the tank. Anyway, so it's been a few days since the last bit that you saw. Nigel's been and gone. Fantastic guy, really nice to meet him finally after all these years, you know, talking online for a while and stuff. So it's nice to put a face to the name. It's nice to see him catch up and all that kind of stuff. And I can already tell you now what a fantastic job he's done. So as you would have seen in the videos that I've just put up, the amount of detail and work that goes into what he does is insane. Not only is it a full detail, but it is the amount of detail that he goes to. You know, I thought I was detailed with my detailing, but it makes you realise that, you know, Christ Almighty, man, the amount of stuff that he goes through. It's expensive, but you can tell why. You know, it takes a long while to do this. It's fully 5-year ceramic coated. You know, I don't have to worry about that or anything. It's ceramic coated the engine, ceramic coated the wheels. Everything's been done. It is a fantastic job, and I'm just going to take you out now. I'm going to show you it because it is gorgeous. Nice. I'll see you in a sec. Oh, it smells so fucking nice in here. Look at that. At first glance, doesn't look like much. This has been fully ceramic coated. Everything's been ceramic coated. Even the engine's been ceramic coated. Swing arm, wheels, everything. It's all been done. Even down to the smallest little nuts and bolts. Look at some XCP on there. It's been XCP coated, ACF coated. Look at it's been machine polished. All up there where it gets all cruddy. Everywhere that you can get to. Look at the chain is pristine now. That's gorgeous. All this has been ceramic coated. Everything. The seat's been cleaned. The tank's been ceramic coated. 5-year. It's a bit shinier now. I really don't mind that at all. More of a satin than a matte. And again, the chain is just gorgeous. Look at that. Everything's been cleaned. XCP on it. There's an XCP coating over the ceramic. The wheels have been ceramic coated. Every little detail that you can think of. Even the mirrors have been polished. All ceramic coated. All ceramic coated. Everything. The racing covers, ceramic coated. I mean, all the titanium, all that's been polished up. Headers, all inside there. Yeah, everything. It's just, wow. So well done. So well done. Front wheels again. This has been polished out to get all the scratches from it. This is hard protection on it. Autobrite products, protectant on the plastics. And it is just a really, really well done job, to be honest with you. You know, like I said, I do a lot of work with detailing on my bikes. I mean, look at that ceramic coating on the wheels, ceramic coating on the headlights. So just help everything be a little bit easier to wash as well. So there you go. Look at that. That is pristine. So there you go, guys. That's what you get for your money. Wow. Like I said, 5-year protection with the ceramic. Hopefully was going to make cleaning it easier as well, you know, because you've got the ceramic coating, it's all cured now and everything. Hopefully the water will just run off it and it won't, as you know. There are going to be bits that you're never going to be able to get perfect, especially with the way that manufacturers use cheap parts these days, you know, fixtures and fittings to save weight and cost and all that kind of stuff. So, but anyway, thank you very much, Nige. Absolute legend. Go and check him out. TaylorMade Detailing. I'll leave all the links in the description, put his Instagram name and all that kind of stuff in, but TaylorMade Detailing on Instagram. Go check him out. Fantastic guy. Well worth the money. And it's peace of mind for me as well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure. Until the next time, boys and girls. Sort 'em out. See you soon. Goodbye.